we sell all of our stock? Should we buy more for the rebounds? Today, I'm going to give you the target price for the Nasdaq and also the S&P 500. So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to make more money from trading. And so click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And this is not a financial advice. So just for education purpose, okay? So now we look at S&P 500. So basically we have dropped for 3 weeks already, but do we need to panic? Okay, so each time you can see the S&P 500 when they pull back, this is a weekly chart. One candle mean 1 week, okay? So basically pull back, usually pull back 3 to 5 weeks or 6 to 7 weeks, okay? So it's normal to pull back, okay? Because it has been going upward for a really long time from basically, where is it? This one from pretty long time, for many months already. This one is from March, okay? So now we can look at the long-term trend. We are still in the upward trend. You don't need my indicator to see upward trend. You can see from this channel, it's higher high and higher low all the time. So we are still safe. But with my indicator, of course, it's easier to tell the direction. And I want to give you one more thing is you just click the golden ratio, which is the first button of this. Let me see. So this one, you click this one, and then you can draw a line from the highest to the lowest, so you can get this ratio out, okay? So I want to tell you, this is normal to go back to 38.2%. So S&P 500 would be 4,300, 4,300, okay? Okay, let me write it down here. So 4,300 is the kind of like a support, okay? So better not to drop below this 4,300. Otherwise, we will have a deeper correction, okay? So you can see also the blue line. The blue line is my own indicator. It serves also as a, okay, first thing, the direction can tell we are upward trend or downward trend. The second thing is it serves as a support resistance as well for S&P 500. You can see here. So if we follow the trend, maybe we come here. Okay, maybe they stop here. Okay, so this coming week will be quite critical. This coming 2 weeks is very critical. So 4,300. Okay, so we just look at this chart. So the next one I want to check with you is the daily chart. The daily chart is, you can see my indicator is turning down already. So it means what does it mean? It means it's going to downward. So even they have a rebound, it's a short rebound, okay? And I have mentioned actually September would be like a sideways. So it's quite fluctuate for September's up and down. So if you are very, very beginner, if you don't know how to do the technical analysis, just be careful or reduce your holding. Not reduce your holding, but maybe try to avoid the risk. Okay, I'm not your financial advisor again. To catch the rebounds is okay, but my strategy, if you're short-term investor, is buy, hit, and go. You don't long-term hold because maybe you have another drop also. Okay, so September, be careful. Okay, don't all in your position. Don't all in your fund. Okay, because it will be quite fluctuate. If you're a very beginner, remember you always learn before you earn. Try to play safe. Try to not to lose money. Okay, because after we will have uptrend, so you need to keep your capital. Okay, this is quite critical. So okay, now shall we go to check the Nasdaq? So I go back to the weekly chart. So everyone can do this. It's very easy. Nasdaq. So this is Nasdaq. So it's almost the same. Of course, the figure is a little bit different, but this is still upward trend, and you will drop around. So you drop to 3,800 around here. Okay, so just let's see, maybe this one can serve as a support. Okay, so this is a weekly chart, and for our daily chart, because my audience, they love daily chart somehow, can give you some insights. So we are still downward trend, so we are looking forward to have a rebound and see how it goes. So I want to show you also this indicator. So this is my indicator. This is more fast. Okay, you can see it's almost follow the trend. So the red line is still going down. It's not yet turning the direction. So just be careful when you, like some people, when they see the oversold signal, they just pump in the money directly. But be careful because it's not yet turning up. So at least I need to wait the red one to turn up. Okay, minimum, and then we can catch the rebounds. And again, I'm not your financial advisor. I don't recommend you to buy anything here. So, but you need to have your own strategy. Okay. So, again, most of the stocks have entered over sold signal. You can check the RSI, but it's not yet confirmed it's finished the job. Okay. So we need to look at this indicator very closely to see if it is first, is it turning to upward? The red line, is it turning upward? And is it going above the red line as well? Because every time when the stock go above this red line or the red line is turning up, this is a trend reverse, a small trend reverse. Okay, so it's a small trend reverse. You see here, they go above and the red line turning the direction. So basically it's a trend reverse. Okay, so you can subscribe to this indicator bundle. I will have more than one indicator inside and you can use it, and it's quite easy to master it basically. So I use it. So I want to show you this one also. So basically this one can tell us the fund coming in. Okay, the fund coming in. So when the fund coming in, it is not necessary. It's quite a good indicator to tell this is a relatively low point. I'm not saying that this is the lowest point. I'm saying the relative low point. Why? Because some stock, they can have multiple entry point. They can still go lower. Okay, but when the big organization is coming in, this is a signal. Okay, so basically, when you, I'm not saying you buy now, at least you have to, this bar has to disappear first. Okay, and then we have, and then we check this signal. Okay, minimum this bar has to go disappear first, because when this bar happening, it's very fluctuated. They can still drop. Why you will think, why the price still drop? The organization start to buy in already. Why? Because they want to buy more. Okay, so they need to accumulate the stock. So basically the price will go lower. They push down the price. This is very easy. You need to think about, if you want to invest like a professional investor, you need to think with their mindset. So we call left mindset and right mindset. Right mindset mean for individual investors. So we buy with the trend. So this is, let's say you buy here, this is a right mindset. If you buy at the lowest, and basically you are the left mindset. So you buy like a big organization. So if you want to buy like a big organization, you need to look at this indicator. Okay, but again, I'm not saying this is the lowest point, number one. So you always need to check these two lines. This is the fundamental indicator. Okay, so it's very easy. So today is my sharing. Again, I just want to give you a big reminder that September will be very fluctuated. So if you want to catch the rebounds, remember it's hit and go. Once you make profit, go. Okay, because it will be very fluctuated. So today is my sharing. I see you in the next video. Happy Saturday, happy weekend. Bye bye. Oh, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And by the way, I have event right now. Basically, if you want me to send you the graph with my indicator for your stock, click the link below, and you just, there's no credit card needed. You just put the information like the stock number, and that's it. And your email, of course, because I need to email you the chart. Okay, and I will choose some stock to talk about on this YouTube, or you can make a comment below. I can also talk about the stock here, but I don't promote so small stock. Okay, so just in case some people abuse of this platform. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye.